Namaste, this is Shammi Gupta from Shammi Zogalaya. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple but highly effective 3 breathing practices. We can call it magical practices. These breathing practices are very simple in nature. It can be done by anybody, anywhere. It can be done by the COVID patient, maybe with slight modifications, and also with people who are into the recovery process from post-COVID. So the first breathing is about to settle down with your anxiety, and that will work on improving your oxygen level. So the first one, any position, you can do it sitting on the floor or on the chair, and you assume any comfortable position. Keep your spine tall. Place your palm on your stomach. When you inhale and exhale, allow your stomach to go to the highest point in front. The navel goes to the highest point in front with inhalation. When you exhale, allow your navel to come back to its original position. So, in this position, I placed my palm as I inhale. Simple abdominal breathing. Inhale for as long as you can, exhale for as long as you can. So the next 2 breathings are exhalation predominant. So the first one we are starting with, it is called pursed lip breathing. As the name indicates, you purse your lips, create a small O shape in between your lips, and exhale out from that O shape. As the abdomen is gently going in, you are exhaling gently out of your mouth, and that's a longer exhalation. So I'm starting. Sit comfortably in any position. You can do the previous breathing, even these 2 what I'm going to show, sitting on the chair and even lying down if you're not very comfortable. So we're starting from here. Inhale completely up to the brim. While exhaling, exhale out of your mouth in between the lips using your abdomen. So inhale. I'm showing a side view. You can see the abdominal movement. See, from here, just moving the hand at the back so that you can see it. The third practice for today, which is very common but highly effective, is Bhramari practice. And we are going with the base level of Bhramari practice, in which we create the humming bass sound. Again, for Bhramari practice, you can sit in any comfortable position, any comfortable as per your comfort. You can sit on the chair, you can sit on the bed, and you inhale from your nasal passage. When you exhale, you will block your ears, very gently cover your eyes, and exhale from the nasal passage. Inhale again. In case for some reason you're not even comfortable creating that maka sound, you can just lie down and you can do mental ma chanting. So like the sound will not come, but even if you're doing it mentally, that will give you a lot of relaxation and work a lot on improving your breathing capacity. You just do it like how you will take the dose of medicine, like in the morning after waking up, after cleaning your bowel movement and all, before lunch or before breakfast, before lunch, before dinner. If you take maybe 3 minutes you can start with, you can go up to 5 minutes. If you just go with this practice, you will see amazing improvement in the whole process, in your breathing process, in your mental stability, in your physical stability. Thank you so much.